Hello everyone, it's Kathy. Welcome to my channel, Kathy's Plan, and welcome to another video. I hope that you guys are doing well, still staying safe. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you get some ideas or you get some inspiration, tell me about it down in the comments. Also, please share and subscribe. Today, guys, we are in my journal and we're setting up a couple of Dutch door pages for me to journal in. I'm going to decorate this entire spread with stickers from this Boho Dreams. I purchased this on Amazon. It's a really nice book. Most of the stickers have like a little gloss to them, but they're very interesting and pretty stickers. I'm going to get started here on the cover page with this script washi that I also got from Amazon. I'm going to rip it in half to give it that kind of rough edge. I'm also going to be placing a thin strip of washi just on top of that script washi. And we're going to go in with this very first sticker up here in the top. You guys know, or if you don't know, I like to have something circular in the top like a sun because it's the beginning of the spread. Never mind it. That's just the way my world works. I'm also going to go in with these butterflies. Make it look very, you know what I just realized? It has that spring theme to it, and we're just getting into the spring weather. Look at that, how it worked out. Also on the back side here, I'm doing the same thing. Not the back side, the last page. We're going to flip over to the page before the last page and put down a couple of stickers. I'm trying to create something like a scene, but not really a scene. And this, in fact, will be our very first Dutch door. So we have our little hut in the back, and at the very bottom is our little shade tree and our chair. And now I'm going in with this hammock, kind of creating that little island beach vibe. And I'm also trying to figure out which washi will look the best in the back. Decided to go with the grid washi because that kind of made everything else pop. And let's get into cutting out this Dutch door. Isn't that cute? I love a Dutch door. I absolutely fell head over heels with the Dutch door movement. And here I'm just setting up the back page with the washi so that I'll know exactly where it lines up. And we're going to move on to the very next page, starting out with our script washi and then our thin washi on top. And we're going in with this beautiful sticker of a horse, and it has flowers all behind it. This sticker is absolutely gorgeous. And this sticker is Be Kind to Nature. I'm not really a fan of stickers that have animal heads on them, but this one kind of fit the bill for the moment. Getting this second Dutch door cut out here. Now we're going to set up our last Dutch door, which will actually be the first Dutch door that I see. Again, starting out with the script washi and then the thin washi tape on top. I'm not sure if this is a dog or a coyote. I don't know, but whatever it is, I like the sticker. And I'm placing these little small circle stickers on top of the washi so that when I cut it, it will have that circular effect to it. And then the flowers at the bottom, super cute. I'm going to do the same thing on the back, but get the washi lined up so that I make sure that is correct. Starting out again with the script washi and then the thin strip on top. We're going to go ahead and get this one cut out and trimmed up. Look at how cute that is. Absolutely amazing. So now we're going to do the same thing on the back, but I don't have any more of those circle stickers. So guess what? I'm just going to make it work. I have completely accepted the fact that the back, if I have the stickers, fine, it can be a complete match. If I don't have the stickers, still fine. I'm going to make it work. And I'm glad I've adapted that way of thinking, because it takes a lot of stress out where you have to have the perfect spread. Everything has to match. It has to be this. It has to be that. That is the other reason why I absolutely love the creative journal, the junk journaling, because you can let your guard down and really enjoy what you're doing. The only thing I'm doing here, guys, is going back into the book, finding things that match and filling up the back page, because like I said, I don't have the same stickers that I have on the front. I don't have any for the back. Totally fine. We're going to work through it. Just taking a glance over everything and seeing if there's anything additional that I want to add. And I think I just have one box here. Yeah, the one double box. I'm going to add a quote on top of that. I'm going to grab this little flower here and just put on the side. And now here comes the best part for me, is drawing in those black lines. As I've said a million times before, especially when it's a colorful spread like this, the black makes everything else pop. So I'm just putting in some additional lines for journaling in case, I need more space. So I decided to go ahead and make those lines longer and darker. And I picked up this from Happy to Playing with Desiree, where you make the little tail come out from the back of the butterfly. I like that. And that's what I'm doing the rest of this Playing With Me, is putting in my lines, closing in the gaps between the spreads, adding in a box here and there. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some ideas and some inspiration. If so, tell me about it down in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video.